Emmett, Michigan. Hey guys, here comes the second ski and westbound train in Emmett, Michigan. Let's get my boot cameras. Yeah, alright. You can see that eastbound, it stopped right there. Here it comes, I hear it. Coming. We're gonna go put a hand after this train because it's hard, it's tough outside to see the signals. We've got 3 so far here, so that's good. There was a northbound line on the Mount Clemens sub this morning, so yeah. Here it comes. Yeah, a little bit up there still. Yeah, there's how there's. See the light? Yeah, that's the train. Gotta be the one gotta be that real long one. Look, let me show you. There's the train. Okay, let me keep my hand off the button so I don't zoom in again. I keep zooming in, you know? Yeah. Maybe the camera's doing that, I don't know. I don't think so. Here comes Emmett, Michigan. I wonder if it's seeing M399 or something. But we'll see. I hear it. I don't think it's coming that fast. Here it comes. I'm gonna go behind the camera on the side of the right side of the camera when it comes. Get the gates for a crook. Here comes Ray. Coming, yeah. Hurry up. No, it's coming. Gates are going down. Not yet. They will. Any second. There we go. Getting closer now, it's moving pretty slow. Yeah, it's going really slow. Hurry up. Cool. New engine. Yeah. Yep, M399, I knew it. Flat. Yeah, back up. It's burning some snow. See that? Cool. Can't M399 westbound train, so yeah. Gave me a horn blast. goes Emmett, Michigan. Cool. Alright, bye.